Hi, I'm Jenny. Welcome to my channel, Beauty in a Minute. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. And today I want to talk about the Neutrogena Rapid Tone Repair Even Skin Tone Moisturizer with Retinol SA and Vitamin C and SPF30. I know there's a lot of this product and I don't really understand it. So this is a rapid tone repair, supposed to even out your skin tone. You got three things happening in this product here. The Retinol SA, it's got the SPF 15, which to me is quite meaningless because 15 is really quite minimal. And it's got the vitamin C, and I suppose the vitamin C is supposed to help even out your skin tone. I mean, retinol does even out your skin tone. So with the added vitamin C, I'm supposed to do an even better job. The usual Neutrogena packaging, Neutrogena glass jar with the pump, or the Neutrogena rapid range is 29 ml. So this is not 30 ml or 50 ml. They all come in this 29 ml. I don't know why. Why it is 1 ml short of the 30 ml. So it's got a whitish cream. It's a very soft, almost watery cream. It's very soft. I can even call this a serum texture. Easily spread it out. Yeah, see, this is absorbed in no time at all. I'm not a fan of this product. Number one, it does have that perfumes. Neutrogena does add a little bit of perfume to the product. Yeah, it's got that rapid range smell, which I am not a fan of. I have used this a number of times now, and I don't see any evening out of my skin tone. Yeah, sorry to say that. The fact that the percentage of vitamin C hasn't been disclosed in the product, so to me it's quite minimal. It's very low strength. It's got the Retinol SA, which is what Neutrogena calls the encapsulated stabilized retinol. This product also has a glucose complex, which is in most of its rapid range. It also has hyaluronic acid, but you don't know the percentage strength of each ingredient here. Secondly, that 15 plus SPF is really quite meaningless, quite minimal. It's not going to do anything to protect your face. For your face, I highly recommend SPF 50 plus, and you can find plenty of that in your local supermarket or any drugstore or pharmacies. And many other brands has a 50 plus sunscreen for your face. I generally prefer to use my retinol at night and just use a retinol serum alone and just let that retinol does its job when I'm asleep. Yeah, so for me personally, I prefer to use just a vitamin C serum, just a vitamin C serum without anything added during the day, and then a retinol serum at night. And then in the day, I also follow my vitamin C serum with a SPF 50 plus sunscreen. So this product I just find rather useless. Yeah, sorry to say that because I really love some of the Neutrogena products. But this product, I find that it really doesn't even out my skin tone. It doesn't really protect my skin from the sun. And it hasn't got enough retinol or vitamin C to really create a difference on my skin. And not only that, it's not cheap. Neutrogena is available at the farmers department stores and the chemist warehouse here in New Zealand. At the farmers department store, this product is $43 for 29 ml, which is rather pricey. If you want this to be a sunscreen, this is a rather expensive sunscreen because for a sunscreen to cover your entire face, you really need a teaspoon, a very generous teaspoon amount for your whole face and your neck, which means this 29 ml is not going to last for a long time. And for vitamin C serum, I find the vitamin C in this product rather weak. And for retinol serum, this is a low strength retinol serum, so it's not really going to give you the immediate effects from what a mid-range to high-strength retinol serum can do for your skin. So yeah, in general, I'm a bit disappointed with this product. It's rather pricey for what it is. Yes, thank you so much for joining me today. If you haven't done so yet, please consider subscribing to my channel. And if you like my video today, please kindly give me the thumbs up. Otherwise, I'll catch you guys next time. Bye!